I realize we haven't lit anything on fire yet. That's fine. We're not going to light anything on fire, folks. We're just going to smoke some herbs here, and we're going to add some different layers of flavor. This is a simple technique if you've got a tea bag, a spiced tea, if you've got just a wooden cutting board, and if you've got a blowtorch or a butane torch, whatever is fine. What we're going to need is we're going to need our rocks glass. Okay, we're going to cut open our tea bag here. Alright, we're just going to put a little bit out there. You have to put all of it. And what you're going to do is you're going to take your torch and you're just going to give it a quick light. There we go. And we're going to smoke those tea leaves right underneath that glass. And what it's going to do, it's going to aromatize that glass. It's going to stick to the sides. Now, we're going to make the cocktail as that's gathering flavor. Alright, we're going to take our mixing glass here. We want a couple different bitters. Because rum has so many different flavors in it, we want to complement those flavors. We're going to first complement the fruit with a couple dashes of Angostura orange, and then we're going to hit it with that spice with the regular Angostura bitters. Now, those of you who didn't know at home, that regular Angostura bitters is actually made based in rum. Fun fact there. Now, this is a combination of agave syrup and pineapple syrup. If you made pineapple syrup with me last week, you'll still have some. All I did was I put agave and that pineapple syrup together, 50-50, you've got that. And if you don't want to make pineapple syrup at home, cut up some pineapple, throw it in a quart of simple syrup, let it sit overnight, you got pineapple in it. It's good stuff. We're going to do a ½ ounce of this syrup. Okay. And now we're going to add our rum, old-fashioned style, so we're going to do 2 ounces.
Nice.
It's Friday, man. What else we do?
That's right. As you guys know, I'm a whiskey freak, so I do not easily recommend anything as a comparison of an 1888. If you're talking about a rum since Meatley, you got up to 8 years in an American oak cask, and you have up to 6 years in an Oloroso sherry cask. So if you're trying to get as close as you can to whiskey while staying in the rum world, you're in the right spot with Brugal 1888.
Oh, that is a delicious smelling glass. Now, I used a rooibos tea. It actually has like cigar notes to it, which is kind of cool. I'm gonna stir this cocktail up here. Gonna stir. We love stirring our drinks here at the Quarantine Canteen. It gives us a chance to reflect, look around, check things out, center our chi, find our zen. Have a good time, guys. You know, it's Friday. Alright, we're going to give that a quick stir, make sure it's nice and chilled. Delicious, 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 delicious. And we're going to strain that over fresh ice. Fantastic. Now, garnish, I'm going to go with the classic, just the orange peel and the lemon peel. I know I said to do that a lot, but you don't have to do a lot to make a really good drink at home. A lot of times it's just some simple things. Having a couple bits of citrus, having some different sugars around is really all you need, and you can be making some great cocktails at home. All right, I'm going to take those guys, we're going to stick them on the side, and boom. There's your 1888 old-fashioned to you, Joe. Everybody out there at home. Here.